Welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainments. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And I'm excited because I got a box. Haven't had a box in a while. Let's look at the box. Let's see what's inside. Cut like butter. Let's see. Bye-bye now. Okay. This is a nice size. Don't need that box. This is a camping fan. And for those that don't know, I got a cabin and I go camping, so this is perfect for me. Now, let's unbox it, see what comes inside. Okay. This is a rechargeable fan, so you don't need any batteries. So, it has the recharging cord, and it has some cushions. We gotta find out what these are. And let's see. It's a nice size fan. It swivels. It seems like it has grip on the bottom. Don't do anything without reading the instructions, so I'm going to read the instructions, charge this up, and then we're gonna do a up close. Okay, you plug it in right here, and you can charge it by a power bank, your computer, or into the wall. I charged it for 2 hours, and it stayed on medium for 5 hours. It has a LT light, and that's high, medium, and low. And that's good for when you're in a dark place and you still need to see. It has a light with this in. So the fan has the same 3 modes: low, medium, and then high. And it's a powerful fan. That's low. That's medium. And that's high. It also could swivel all the way around. It also could go up and over and back to hit all the angles. And for a plus, it has these pads. And these pads, you could put oils on them and put it in the back of here. And then when you turn on the fan, that smell will pull out through the fan this way. The oil or whatever that you may have on this cushion. And it comes with 2 of these. There's numerous ways to be able to stabilize this. You can have it flat on the table like this, or under here, you can pull this up and hook it to wherever. And at the bottom, you could get ahead and stabilize it by putting 2 screws in and putting it into the wall this way and hanging it on the wall. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button, cause you wanna be a honeybee, honey.